Hello everyone. So we started solving problems on balance scorecard. So we have solved one illustration under that. So the second illustration is this. So let's look into the question. So here he has asked us to calculate the value of the call option and he has given the necessary information. So the stock price is 500, strike price is 450, risk-free interest rate is 6%, and volatility, that is standard deviation, is 0.50, and the duration for the call option is 1 month. So with the help of the formula of the balance scorecard, we have to solve the value of the call option. So let's take the given information. So strike price here means the S. So S here is 500. Sorry, stock price is S, that is 500. Strike price here is represented by K, that is 450. R is represented for risk-free interest rate, that is 6%, means 0.06. Next, volatility, that is standard deviation, is 0.50, and time duration is represented by T. It is 1 month, that is 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 means it can be 0.083 also. So now we have to take the main formula of Black-Scholes model, or BSM. So that is C equals Sn into D1 minus Ke to the power minus RT into ND2. So first of all, for the purpose of solving the value of the call option, we need to know the value of D1. So here D1, again for D1, solving for D1, again there is one formula, that is Ln into S divided by K plus R into T divided by standard deviation to the root of T plus 0.5 into standard deviation into root of T. So ln here is, this is the log, so take it is as it is. S means the stock price, that is 500. K means the strike price, that is 450. So 500 divided by 450 plus risk-free interest rate is 6%, so that is 0.06 into time, that is they have given 1 month duration. So when we divide 1 by 12, the figure will be 0.083. Next, standard deviation given in the problem is 0.50. So 0.50 into root of 0.083. So plus 0.5 into 0.5. So 0.5, this is given in the problem. So here given in the question, standard deviation is also 0.50 into root of T, that is 0.083, root of 0.083. So ln take same as it is ln, so this is the log. So 500 by 450, it will be 1.1111. So plus 0.06 into 0.803 will be 0.00498 divided by 0.50 to the root. If we calculate the root, so the answer will be 0.288. So 0.50 into 0.50 to the root 0.880. So in this stage, we need to calculate the log of this log value for this number. So I have already uploaded one video on how to calculate the log values, so you can also check out that video. And still, if you have any doubt that how to calculate the natural log for any values, I'll once again tell you these steps, so please note it down. So here are the working note number 1, that is how to calculate the log value for this 1.1111. So for any number, if you want to calculate the natural log, the steps are these. So first step is, as we used to do the calculating in the natural calculating the log, as we have did in in the previous problem. So first step is this log number. We have to press this log number. For log number, type this log number 2.718, press this square root for 19 times. This is the first number, step number 1. You will get this answer. So at 19 times, at the 90th time, you will get this number. So note this number. After that, deduct minus 1 from that. You will get this number. Next is press plus or minus button in the calculator. So here there in the left side there is one button, that is plus and minus button. So press that one time. Next, type the value for which you want to calculate the natural log. So here we want to calculate the log for 1.111. So you have to type this value. Next, again the fifth step is you have to press the square root for 19 times. Again you have to press this square root for 19 times. Whatever the value you will get here after pressing the equals, you have to press that value for 19 times. You will get this value. After that, you have to again deduct 1. After deducting 1, you will get this value. So divide this value with the above value. Which is the above value? This is the above value where we have deducted minus 1. So if you divide that value with the specific value, the answer will be 0.1053. This is the value for the log 1.111. So these are the steps. If you follow the steps, if you do the steps, you can get this answer. It is very easy. Still, if you are not getting this, if you have any confusion, you can ask me in your group. I'll try my best to solve your doubts. Okay. Now we have got the value for this log, for this number, natural log for this 1.11. So our answer is 0.1053. So next, same we have to follow the steps given in the formula. So 0.0498, you can write this as it is. Next, we have to multiply this 0.144. Simplify this, all you have to multiply 0.072. Next, so after adding 0.1053 plus 0.00049, the answer will be 0.1102. Just divide it, and after simplifying it, the D1 will be 0.8373. So 0.8373 will be the D1. So if we see the formula, again we have to calculate another value, that is D2. So what is the formula for calculating D2? The formula for calculating D2 is simple. So D1 minus standard deviation into square root of the time duration. So D2 equals D1, which we have calculated here. So the value is 0.8373 minus standard deviation is 0.50. Time duration is 1 month, that is 0.8083. So we have to put square root on it. So simplify it, the answer will be 0.6933. So again, if we look into the formula, still we need is, what we needed was ND1. What we have calculated is D1 and D2. What we need is ND1 and ND2. So what is the procedure to calculate this one? So here N means the normal distribution. So we have to verify, we have to take reference from the statistical table of the normal distribution for calculating this ND1 and ND2. So there's a simple procedure. So if we see the statistical table, the values for the numbers will be given in only 2 digits. So here we have many digits, so we have to divide the digits in, after decimal we have to divide the digits into 2 parts. So here 0.8373 is there, so we can divide it into 2 parts. So 0.83 will be in one part and 0.73 will be in one part. So the procedure, the formula to be followed here is, first of all, we have to solve separately for this and separately for that. So here, as we have divided here, we can easily get the values for 0.83 and 0.73. So take this ND1, that is N, D1 is 0.8373. So first of all, we have to take this part. So N 0.83 plus we have to take this part 0.73. Again, we have to multiply it with the next number of this first number. So that is 0.83 is the number. So after that, which number will come? That is 0.84. So here, why we are applying this means, when we see the normal distribution, when we plot the normal distribution, this number, this 0.83 will come in the 0.84. So this is the reason why we are using the after number of this 0.83. So 0.84. Next, we have to deduct 0.84 from 0.84. Again, we have to deduct the first number, that is 0.83. So this is the formula, this is the procedure which is given by the author. So you don't need to have any confusion. Just remember, first we have to take the earlier number, next the second number, next we have to multiply the number which is after the first number, so that is 0.84. Next, from that number we have to deduct the first number. That's it. Now the main thing is, we have to see the value for this using the statistical table. So let's see what will be the value for 0.83. So here I have opened the statistical table. So we need value for 0.83. So after 0.83, the number was okay. So we have only 2 digits here, so we can see the normal distribution values. So it is given in 2 digits. That's why we divided the values. So here we want value for 0.83, right? So 0.8 is here, so 0.3 is here. So the value will be this one, that is 0.7967. 0.7967. Okay, you have got this. First you have to see the value, first 2 digits here in the Z, that is normal distribution. Next, after that, which number will be there, you have to look, and you just have to overlap it and you can see the value. So write 0.7967. Next, we have to see the similar, take 0.73 as it is. Next, we have to see the value for this one, that is N 0.84. So let's see the value. Now let's see the value for we want 0.84. The 0.8 here, it is there, 0.4 it is here. So the value for 0.84 will be 0.7995. We got the values of normal distribution. So we have to simplify it. So 0.7967, 0.73. So the value for this will be 0.7995. So here we have already calculated, that is 0.7967. So take as it is, deduct it first, you will get this value, add this, the ND1 will be 0.7987. Similarly, when we see ND2, so ND2 is 0.6933. So for this also we have to calculate. So again, similarly, we have to divide this part into 2, so 0.69 and 0.33. Similarly, we have to apply this procedure, so n 0.69 plus 0.3, so after that number will be 0.70. So n 0.70 deduct earlier number, that is 0.69. So now we have to see the value for this one. Let's look into the statistical table. So see here, the value for which number we want, the value we want it for is 0.69, right? So 0.69, 0.6 here it is there, 9 it is here. So 1 second. So 0.6 and 0.09. So this is the value which we want, that is 0.7549. So 0.7549. This is 0.6. This is 0.6 line. So here it is overlapping. This means this is the value 0.7549. Similarly, we want the after number of that, which was 0.69 was there. So after that number will be 0.70. So here 0.7 is here. So 70 means the first value will be that is 0.7580. We have got the values, so just you have to see the table and you have to take the values. So 0.749 plus 0.33, 0.7580, and this is 0.7549. Just simplify it. The value for ND1 will be 0.7559. Now the main formula, we have to come to the main formula. So as the stock price is 500, ND1 is that is ND1 is 0.987, which we have calculated here. So here it is, this one, so 0.7987. Next we have to less K, that is stock price 450, is the log, that is 2.78, minus R is the risk-free rate 0.06, and time duration is 0.80. ND2, which we have calculated here, so this is ND2, write ND2. Next, after multiplying it, we'll get this value. So when minus 450, 2.78, if we multiply this, we will get this value. So now again there is working note number 2, which we have already done several times, how to calculate log value for minus power. So if we are getting the power values in minus figures, how to calculate the log values. Let's look into that working note. If you still don't know how to calculate it, you can look into the working note, and still if you get any doubt, you can ask me and I'll prepare a separate video on it. See here, so how to calculate the log if we have minus values in the power. So steps here are same, a little bit same steps. 5 steps are there. First we have to press 2.781, 718 for 19 times. The square root should be pressed for 19 times. Next, minus 1. Next, into the value which you want to calculate. So here I have to calculate for 2.78 to the powers minus 0.00049. So I have to press here 0.0049. Next step is I have to press plus or minus button for one time. Next we have to add one. Next, last step is press multiply and equal button for 19 times. You will get the required value for the log. See here, first press log value for square root for 19 times. In that, less minus 1 into the value, minus value of power. That is, here we have, you need not to press this minus. You just have to press the value. So 0.0049. After that, press this plus or minus button one time. After that, add 1. Last step is pressing equal and into button for 19 times. You will get the required value. So here answer is 0.9951. So here the answer after calculating will get 0.9951. So here just we have to simplify it. So the option value is 60.87. So here ends the solution for this problem. I'm again telling you, if you are not getting those two working notes, you can ask me in your group. I'll share I'll share the videos which I have prepared for the first problem. After you watch that, you will I think you will get the clear idea how to calculate those working notes. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in your group.